Hello, friends. It's me, Priya Durevel from Pasme Totam at Dallas. Hope you all are doing great. We are at Sarita Frisco's garden. So, we are taking garden tour and we saw a lot of different variety plants in part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. So, today in part 5 we are going to see few more plants. So, this is orange chrysanthemum. It grown really big and they planted in rectangular container and this is custard apple, sitafal plant, green amaranth, crepe jasmine, and here we can see red chrysanthemum, Vicks inhaler plant, and pink jasmine, which has more fragrance. And slowly we can see here big red chrysanthemum plant. From the mother plant we can see lot of baby plants around that mother plant. The roots are very strong and Vicks inhaler, ajwain, marigold, tulasi plants and red exotic ixora. We can see only flowers. We couldn't see any leaves there. Only few leaves we can see. It is the small plant is full of flowers. Beautiful. And another yellow chrysanthemum. And here we can see lot of jasmine plants they planted in ground, lemongrass, tulsi plant, and this jasmine plant we can see lot of small birds and they are maintaining this plant with only small branches, so they keep pruning the plant and the roots are very strong and the plant looks very healthy. So we need to maintain jasmine plant with small branches and we need to keep prune that long the grown up the grown well grown branches. And this area we can see in the small area they kept few tropical and herbal plants with all like pattern the rectangular containers. And slowly we can move to this area where they used to relax and they have more fun with their friends. And I just want to share with you all that you can see an artificial banana plant. When I saw this plant at a glance, I thought it is an original plant. I got confused why they are growing the banana plant in full shade and in part. So, but then I realized it is an original banana plant. So beautiful. They set up very nice. So they used to have fun, more fun and relaxed time and with their friends. So we understand from their garden that they are growing all the tropical and also the hardy variety plants. So now I'm going to share few more information that what type of soil they are using and what type of fertilizer and how they are maintaining in winter. So for all the variety plants, hardy and also for all the tropical plants, they are using only Miracle Grow moisture control potting mix and fertilizer for all the flower plants. 2 weeks once they are using Miracle Grow Bloom Booster, and for all the rose plants they are using only Miracle Grow rose food 2 weeks once, and they kept all the tropical plants and hardy plants in full sun. And the watering method, they are watering only in the morning, and they are not uh, watering in the evening. And all the plants are looks green and very healthier. So in winter they have a greenhouse, and they used to keep all the tropical plants inside the greenhouse. And for all the hardy variety plants and few like jasmine plants, they used to put mulch and cover with frost cloth. So few well grown plant like 7 years 8 years old plant, curry leaves, moringa, like that well grown plant, we can move that plant inside garage and we can maintain. So they used to follow the same. For vegetable and spinach, we can save the seeds and we can sow it in winter. So Sarita also following the same. So we saw that white concrete edger, the pavers under each part, trellis accessories. So all this we can get from Lowe's, Home Depot, and Tractor Store. So that's all. Few plants they got from us, and few from other nursery, and few plants from Dawn's nursery. So they got different collections from different place. So you can note down all these places to buy plants. So these are the simple techniques they are using for their garden. Hope this video helped many customers how to set up a new garden, and customers who relocated from different state to Dallas. We covered all the needed information in part 1 to part 5. So we wish our customers to set up a beautiful garden like this, and next season you can send a video clip, and for sure we will visit your garden. And any doubts, we are there to help you. So you can get to know all the hardy varieties and what plants we can grow in ground and what plants we can grow in containers, and what plants we can keep in full sun. So all the details we can see in part 1 to part 5. We also notice they are using different transplantation method. From the sale part, they are not taking out the plant. They are directly planting in the ground. The sale part, they just put holes under the part and they directly planted in big pot or in ground. So that is a different way of transplantation method they are using. So with this part 5, we are ending this garden tour at Sarita's Garden, Frisco. So we are moving to different customers' garden, and after 2 weeks we are planning to post that garden tour video. So that garden is completely different with different variety medicinal plants, and they are using different techniques to grow all that plants. So upcoming few days I am going to post each variety plants, how to grow and how to get more blooms and how to maintain in winter. So all the simple techniques I am going to share. So hopefully you all like this video tour, and whatever we are sharing, if you feel like it helps all the customers, please share with your friends and family, subscribe our channel, like and share. So see you all with a different set of video. Until then, bye, take care from Priya Durevel from Pasumai Thotam at Dallas. Bye.